Meaning of dromedary.
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 Dromedary. A dromedary is a type of camel known for having one hump on its back. These mammals are found in hot, arid regions of the world and are known for their ability to survive long periods without water. Dromedaries are often used as pack animals, carrying heavy loads across desert landscapes. They have a distinctive appearance with long, curved necks and large, padded feet. While they are not as well known as their two-humped cousins, the Bactrian camels, dromedaries have played an important role in many cultures throughout history.